Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into a complete guide on how to use Monday.com for tracking client projects. To start, sign into your Monday.com account. This is our first step because it's the gateway to all the wonderful features this platform offers. Once you're logged in, navigate to the left-hand corner of your dashboard and click on New. This will allow you to initiate a new project board. Now that we've done that, it's time to customize your board. Here's why this matters. Tailoring the board to your needs gives you control over how you want to track the progress of your client projects. You can add relevant columns such as project status, due date, team member responsible, and so on. This helps us because it provides a clear snapshot of where each project stands. Next up, we're going to invite your team members. The reason we do this is to foster collaboration and transparency. By clicking on Invite, you can add your team members' emails and they'll receive an invitation to join the board. Once this is done, let's add a project. Click on New Item, type in the project's name, and hit Enter. Now you can start filling in the details in the columns you've created earlier. This step is crucial as it's here that you input all the necessary information about the project, which will be tracked throughout its life cycle. Now, let's talk about setting up automations. This is a fantastic feature that can save you a lot of time. By setting up automations, Monday.com will automatically send updates or change statuses based on the rules you set. For instance, you can set an automation to change the status to complete once the due date is reached. This is important because it ensures that no task or deadline slips through the cracks. And that's it. You've successfully set up your client project tracking system on Monday.com. Remember, the key to effective project management is regular updates and communication, and this platform makes it a breeze. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.